Hello guys, and welcome back into today's video. In today's video, I'll be reviewing two websites whereby you can work remotely without experience from anywhere that you are in the world. Maybe you are from Nigeria, maybe you are from Ghana, maybe you are from Syria, maybe you are from the United States of America, maybe you are from UK, maybe you are from anywhere in the world. You do not have to have any experience whatsoever to start working with this company. If you are just seeing this video for the first time, my name is Sam, and what I do on this channel is to review companies which are currently hiring, and I also talk about different other ways you can make money online. With this being said, let us go right straight into the content. Alright guys, welcome back to the video. As you can see on the screen, this is a company that is called Taskverse. As you can see it from here, Taskverse. What this company is all about is that you have to review tasks, you have to complete tasks on this website to make money on this website. As it has been written here, complete paid tasks from anywhere in the world. Become a tasker to qualify for paid tasks today. Alright, so let us read what Taskverse is all about. Taskverse is an open platform that connects our freelancer called taskers to a variety of tasks to empower the world's most disruptive companies. As a tasker, you can complete the paid tasks on your own schedule from anywhere in the world. And from what I have seen on this website, the minimum payout task is $10, and you can make up to $50 per day on this website if you are taking it as a part-time job. And if you are taking it as a full-time job, you can be making over $270 per month on this website. Alright, so it says here, it says why Taskverse. That means why should you choose Taskverse? Alright, the number one reason they are giving to us is that it is flexible and remote. Like I said earlier, you can do this from anywhere that you are in the world. It says pick up and complete tasks anytime, anywhere. Choose what you want to do after being accepted into Taskverse. The number two, it says that fair pay. Get paid on time per task you complete. Payment will be automatically added to your Taskverse account. Alright, it says people first. Be part of a supportive global community. Get trained and upskilled as a part of your professional development. That means this company will also be giving you meaningful projects which you can use to upskill yourself, and if you have done this for quite a while, you can use it to apply to other companies and become a part of other companies as well. Alright, meaningful projects, I already said this earlier just now. Experience working with innovative companies from various industries, from driving self-delivery cars to food delivery services. Alright, how does Taskverse work? According to this website, it says the number one thing you have to do is sign up for a Taskverse account. For you to sign up, you can just say sign up on the screen right here. Just click on sign up and you will enter. Let me scroll up a bit so you can see. So as you can see, you can sign up with your Google or your Apple, or better still, you can just create a password, confirm your password and sign up. Alright, let's go back to where we were. Alright, so after you have signed up to Taskverse account, the number two of what you will be expected to do is to qualify for task. In everything that you have to do in life to work, you have to sell yourself. Either you are an marketer, either you want to work with a company. How you can get job, how you can close a sale is for you to sell yourself the right way. So if you are filling out your profile to qualify for project on this website, make sure to sell yourself very well. This means that if you already have a skill in writing, if you already have a skill in customer relation, if you already have a skill in any kind of field, make sure you are inputting the skill that you have in your profile so that they can refer qualify quality projects to you, and you can start doing them right away. All right, after you have qualified for the project, the next thing you are expected to do is to start picking up and completing tasks once you have been accepted, and after which you have been accepted and you have been doing tasks and you have been getting paid, which will reflect into your account. You will be get paid. It says here get paid for each completed and approved task. All right, now this is a sample task. This is what you might be coming across for your project. This space is digital customer experience. You have to deliver world-class customer support for some of the world-leading and disruptive brands. Now, okay, this is AI data labeling, build quality, high quality machine learning model through data automation. Now, content moderation, safeguard online speed without true content moderation. Now, all right, these are what you can meet as projects: tagging words, record speech, automated images, transcribe audio. If you have done this before, for you to transcribe words, audio into words, you should know that this is mostly done by people who are looking for work online. So if you have done this before, put it into your profile, and then project like this can be referred to you. Alright, this is all about the first complaint I'll be showing to you guys. Now let us move ahead to the second complaint. The second and final website we are reviewing for the sake of this video is called Allegis Transcription. This is a company that gives you transcription jobs. This means that you have to transcribe audio to words and you will get paid for it. This is quite simple, right? Alright, let us read what they have for us on this website. Looking for a work from home transcription job? We are looking for skilled transcriptionists to join our team. Apply now. Now, this is why you have to use Allegis among all other companies that are offering transcription jobs. If you are looking for ongoing freelance transcription jobs and a great engaged team to be a part of, Allegis could be for you. As an independent contractor transcriptionist for Allegis, you describe how much you work and work on your schedule. In addition to a robust company network, our responsive support team is focused on your success, and we are here to help every step of the way. Sound like a good fit? Apply today. We have many work from home transcription contracts available right now. Alright, it says here that learn more about our transcription program from our community network site, including time frame and equipment needs. Alright, so let us check the equipment you will need for a transcription job if you want to work on this website. For the sake of this video, I just click on that link right now and we'll wait for that to load. Alright, before I continue, please note that I will be putting the link of each of these websites in the video description, so make sure you check it out. Make sure you read everything about this company before you get started. Make sure you read to understand. Make sure you read and understand, and you will know what they want on this company, on this website, and what they do not want. Alright, so to check out the equipment needed for this company, we just have to scroll down and click on this compatible equipment and software. Alright, so let's wait for that to load. Okay, as you can see, these are the equipment that you will need for this to work on this company. Alright, the number one is Windows-based PC desktop or laptop, no Mac or Linux system. Alright, so this is just a budget laptop that is needed. Microsoft operating system, Windows 10 or newer. Alright, foot pedal, VEC Infinity, USB 2 or newer. I don't really know what this means, so make research about this. Let me highlight it out. So you just have to make research about this, and then that's all. Okay. The software that you will need the full version of Microsoft Word version 2016 or newer. You will need this for legal transcription only. For legal transcription only, you will need ExpressScribe Pro required if taking BlueLedge Transcription Essentials. Alright, and you will need antivirus software like Avast, AVG, Avira, Vipre, Vipre, Linux. Either of these. You know what? I'm going to put the requirement, the needed equipment. I'm going to put everything here in the video description, so make sure you check it out and you can know if you want to apply on this website or not. Alright guys, this is pretty much everything I have for you guys today. Please like this video. Like this video so that it will go more viral and more people who needs this video might get to see this video. And also subscribe so that you can keep up to date with my video. If today's video does not work for you, you never can tell if the next video will be for you. So kindly subscribe to this channel, please. And with this being said, I will say goodbye and I will see you next Sunday.